Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are in good health. As you can see today we are going to discuss rational numbers and the number line of course. So how to plot the rational numbers on the number line using some very easy and short tricks. So as we are talking about rational number I have already told you it must be a fraction written up as p by q form where p and q both are the integers and also q must not be equals to 0. So in P and Q form, the numerator and denominator we have. So whenever we are talking about numerator and denominator, so we have different types of fraction, that proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So first of all, we will discuss different type of fraction here to how to plot them on the number line. Like on the number line, you can see we have on the left side we have negative numbers, on the right side we have positive numbers. So if I say that the kind of a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, in other words you can say it is a proper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is lesser than the denominator, that is we call a type of a fraction, that is a proper fraction. And whenever you need to plot this type of fraction on a number line, so it will come on the number line between, it will come between 0 and 1 on the number line. Always use this trick, it will help you a lot. For example, if I want to plot, let's plot 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Both these fractions I have to plot on the number line. Okay, just ignore this minus 1 by 3. Just look over here, this 1 by 3. You people tell me that the numerator is less than the denominator. It means it's a proper fraction. I said to you that whenever that proper fraction you have, your proper fraction will be plotted on the number line between 0 and 1. So let's take a number line here and write it as 0, positive 1 and the negative 1 in between 0 and 1 as per the rule I have told you. Okay, the next thing is you need to plot this. Look at this, look over this 1 by 3. It is having numerator 1 and denominator 3. The thing is how this 1 by 3 will be plotted on the number line, or in other words you can say which place on the number line will be there of this 1 by 3. So look at the numerator and denominator. First of all, the denominator of the any fraction will tell you that the number of equal parts, between 0 and 1. You can see the denominator, this the denominator we have here 3. So 3 will tell you that how many three equal parts will be there of 0 and 1. So let's make 3 equal parts of 0 and 1. So if I will draw two lines, I will get three equal parts. For example, 1 and 2. So you can see I got three equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Why I got three equal parts? Because my denominator was 3 and denominator tells us the equal parts of the number line which we have to divide in. So if it is written in the denominator 2, so I need to make 2 equal parts. If it is written 5, I need to make 5 equal parts. If it is written 6, I need to make 6 equal parts. Understood? Yes. Next, look over the numerator. Numerator, right now I have a numerator is 1. That means it is a number of parts starting from 0. Numerator will tell me the number of parts starting from 0. Mean if it is written 1, it means starting from 0, it is the first part. If it is written 2 here, starting from 0, it is the second part. If it is written 3, so starting from 0, 1, 2 and 3. The third part is this 3 by 3 over here then. And obviously it will give me a whole number right here. So right now I am talking about this 1 by 3. So as per the requirement, this 3 told me that I need to make 3 equal parts that I have made, and 1 will tell me, this numerator will tell me that from 0, which will be the actual place of this, from the part starting from 0. So the number of parts from 0, one part, first part means this part. So this will be the place, of 1 by 3 on the number line. I hope you people understood my point, which I'm trying to explain you. Now corresponding to it, look over this minus 1 by 3. So the same thing, if you observe the number line, same numbers are being corresponding on the other side. If there is 1 over here, on the other side, the negative 1 over there. So if the integers corresponds to each other, the fractions corresponds as well. So if this is 1 by 3, exactly after one part of this three equal parts, then it will give me again 3 equal parts here as well, because its denominator again it's 3. So I have given 3 1 2 3 equal parts between 0 and minus 1, as it is a negative number. So 1 will tell me that the number of parts starting from 0. So one part means first part, very first part starting from 0. So starting from 0, the very first part is this. So it will give me the place of minus 1 by 3, like this. So I have plotted 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 in front of you using this rule which I have told you, that 3 denominator will tell you the number of equal parts and the numerator will tell you the number of parts starting from 0. If you will follow this, you will make it more easier. Let's take one more example. These two fractions you have to plot, and again observe it is a proper fraction because its numerator is lesser than the denominator. So same rule you will follow between 0 and 1, these two both will be plotted. How? See, make a number line. In the center it would be a 0, then 1, and then negative 1 on the other side. Between 0 and 1, proper fraction. Now as I told you that what the denominator will tell you, the number of equal parts. So there are 5 is written over here in the denominator, so you have to make 5 equal parts among 0 and 1. So if I will draw 4 lines over here, it will give me 5 equal parts. I have drawn 1 2 3 4, it gave me 1 2 3 4 5 equal parts. You can see, count with me, 1 2 3 4 5 equal parts I have. In the same way, we can make 4 lines over here again here to make 5 equal parts. So 4 lines gave me 5 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5. So denominator, whatever is the denominator, it will tell you the equal parts which you have to distribute in. Now this numerator is 2. The numerator will tell you the number of parts starting from 0. It is 2, it means it's second part starting from 0. So let's start from 0. It's first part and second part, means this is the place of 2 by 5. Okay, now in minus 2 by 5 again on the negative side, same thing will be observed, first part, second part. So this will be your place of minus 2 by 5. Okay, if you observe, then if this is 2 by 5, then what are the places of these other points which we have not plotted? So using your common sense, you can tell me easily that after 0, I told you it is starting from, if the parts are being divided into 5 equal parts and it is starting from 0, so it is giving me 1 by 5. Of course, it was 2 by 5 we have already plotted, and it is giving me, this is 3 by 5, the third part, and it is a 4 by 5, and it becomes 5 by 5 becomes 1 whole. So that's like, you have to observe the points which I have told you. I hope you things are getting clear to you gradually. Next video, I will tell you how to plot the improper fractions on the number line with the help of rules, some short tricky rules that would help you to plot the proper fraction on the number line easily. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz.